Assalamu alaikum. Today is very hot and I have come here to make this video, and also very hot weather across our country it is going on, and also feel like maybe over 40 degrees Celsius, although it's just 9 o'clock. The rest time is still remain. Oh my god. So why it is very hot and why it is very time? Hot weather is needed to reap the fruits, to reap this type of paddy field. I think from my side is needed. So for this reason the hot is needed. But this year usually hot temperature is very high and it comes early due to different kind of reasons. We cut the trees, we making the environment dangerous, keeping this into dangers, and more things is being happening right now. For this reason even I can't focus on my camera. In front of us the sun, the temperature is quite high, and for as a result I'm getting sweat. So by the way, it's a very important place for me, but during even that time when there is no hot weather, sometimes I get cold air, but due to the hot temperatures I couldn't take it properly, and I couldn't bear it properly. But due to my audience I have to make video. Temperatures or hot weather sometimes needed, or there is the advantage disadvantage available. If you stay in the hot weather your skin will be black, you feel different kind of disease, especially irritation is one of them, and you will also get some productivity, also get some vitamin, like especially when you stay in early morning like dusk time in the 6 o'clock 7 o'clock, or more the time when the sun is arise. At the time if you take the sun you will see, or you will get the vitamin C from sunlight. But this is not high time. If you stay this time the energy you will lose. So by the way, I hope you understand this, because I can't stay here properly because it's very bare. But I was thought that I can stay make a video, but yes I'm making the video, but I cannot make this long. It's very hot for me and also hot weather, so I have to take in the rest place and there I have to make a video. So I hope this video must help you to understand more and more, to understand the better things, to get the good advantage, and to experience the most important things. I hope this video must help you. If you have any query you can ask me on the comment box. I'll come back, I'll watch or see or read your comment in the comment box. So goodbye for now. I hope this video must help you about the hot weather. So how in your locality going on the hottest temperature, how do you face this and how do you survive in this hot weather? So of course comment down. Goodbye for now.